Yeah, hi, morning Martin. Martin, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I've got your laser and I've done the repair for you. 28/1/18. That's your laser there. It's all fully working. Basically what we've done, we obviously checked the cogs. Cogs were fine on this one. There's no issues there, not slipping or anything, which is good, mate. They were quite sturdy. Yeah, we changed the laser and given it a service. Basically, made sure everything was all working as it should be. We've had it on for several hours testing while I've been working away doing other bits, and as you can hear, it's all good there. So yeah, okay. Remember, you got a 6-month warranty on parts and labour. All we ask is you pay the postage back to us and back to you, and we cover everything else for you. Not that you're going to need it, but it's there. Alright Martin, thank you very much. Please leave feedback or give some feedback when you get the item, and let us know that you're happy. Thank you very much. Have a great day.